Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we dig into financial filings to uncover what is really going on behind the spreadsheets. And today we've got an interesting amendment from SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated, ticker symbol SOUND, a company in the artificial intelligence space. It looks like they're filing an amendment to a previous report, basically adding in some missing financial pieces. Before we dive in, if you value clear, no-nonsense financial analysis, hit that subscribe button. And hey, if you want to connect with a community of fellow financial detectives, join our Discord server. The link is in the description below. So this is technically an amended report, a Form 8 KIDAR. Think of it like a company realizing they forgot to include some important documents with their initial filing. In this case, SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated is adding in the financial statements and pro forma information related to their acquisition of Interactions Corporation. The original report was filed back in September, but this amendment is dated the 14th of November, 2025, just a few months after the acquisition was finalized. What this is all about is the company SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated officially closing the deal to buy all of Interactions Corporation. Remember last time we talked about them, they were signing an agreement to merge. Well, now they're saying it is done. They bought the whole company. Now the core reason for this amended filing is to provide the detailed financials. They're attaching the audited financial statements for Interactions Corporation for the full year ending the 31st of December 2024. This gives us a look at Interactions' financial health just before becoming part of SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated. They're also including unaudited financial snapshots for Interactions for the first half of 2025, up through the 30th of June. This shows how Interactions was performing right up to the merger. Perhaps the most interesting part for us is the pro forma information. This is where they combine the financials of SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated with the acquired companies Amelia and Interactions and show us what the combined entity would have looked like. We're seeing numbers for the 9 months through the 30th of September 2025 and the full year of 2024. This is crucial for understanding the scale and potential of the new, larger SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated. Let us look at some of these newly added numbers. For the full year 2024, Interactions Corporation reported total revenue of $75.5 million. That's a significant sum and gives us a baseline for what they brought to the table before the merger. Looking at the first 6 months of 2025, Interactions generated about $36.7 million in revenue. This indicates a slight dip compared to the same period in the previous year. If we assume a consistent pace, which is something to keep an eye on for the combined company's future performance. Were they slowing down, or did they have a particularly strong first half in 2024 that made the comparison look tougher? Now, let's talk about the combined entity. For the 9 months ending the 30th of September 2025, the pro forma combined revenue reaches approximately $147.8 million. This shows the substantial increase in scale that SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated has achieved through these acquisitions. It's nearly double what the standalone SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated likely reported before the deals. This acquisition of Interactions alongside their earlier acquisition of Amelia shows a clear strategy from SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated to rapidly grow its market presence and capabilities in the AI space, particularly in areas like conversational AI and intelligent solutions. They are consolidating and building a larger platform through inorganic growth, and at the helm guiding this strategy is CEO Kivan Mahaja. It is clear the company is making big moves to become a major player. So what does this all mean for us as investors or observers of the market? SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated is clearly not content to grow organically at a slow pace. They are buying growth and looking to create a more comprehensive AI offering. The pro forma numbers are impressive, showing a company of a much larger scale than before. However, the key will be how well they can integrate these acquisitions and realize the expected synergies. Revenue from Interactions has shown a slight slowdown in early 2025, which could be a sign of integration challenges or just market dynamics. The real test will be in the combined company's ability to innovate and drive profitable growth from this larger base. Are they buying market share at the expense of profitability, or is this a strategic move to build a dominant AI platform that can command higher margins in the future? The focus from here on out will be on management's execution and their ability to make this expanded entity more than just the sum of its parts. We need to watch how they perform in the coming quarters to see if this aggressive consolidation strategy pays off. Alright, that is our breakdown of SOUNDHOUND AI Incorporated's latest amended filing. What is your take on these numbers and what they signal for the company's future? Are they building a powerhouse or biting off more than they can chew? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps, and subscribe for more deep dives. Don't forget to check out the Discord in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.